feel so alive. I've never felt this way before. It must be you and I. It's got me thinking about us more. It's these bright lights that put me in a daze.
Hi, hello. Today I have this green cut crease with a nude lip and bold eyelashes. Quick and easy. If you want to see how I created this, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's start this video. We are going for this look here. Obviously I haven't applied eyelashes yet. First we're going to take the Revolution Conceal and Define concealer in the shade C0.5. It looks like this. It's just the very like pinky toned concealer from Revolution. I believe it's the lightest shade, and I'm just going to apply this all over my lid, and I'm just going to blend that out with a brush. Okay, so for this look today we're going to go in with the Morphe 35B palette, but obviously go for the green shades. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is this dark green up here. I'm taking that on a Morphe M322 brush. This is my go-to packing on colour brush, like darker colours.
It must be you and I. It's got me thinking about us more. These bright lights that put me in a daze, and I can't stop to think about the way that you move.
I'm not going to worry too much about the outer corner because we're going to clean it up in a bit. Next we're going to go into this lighter green by here. Taking this on the Morphe M507 brush. Okay, so that is pretty much it for the shades in the crease. Okay, so then next I'm going to take that Revolution concealer and I'm going to cut the half cut crease. I'm going to use the Real Techniques detailer brush. Okay, so then to go on the cut crease, I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Skin Frost in the shade Ice Cold. Stunning. And then to blend the outer part out, I'm going to take the darkest green and just start blending that in. Then I'm going to go in with the lighter green, place that just next to it. And then I'm going to take the other light green, but this has a little bit of shimmer in there, so I'm going to add that as well, so it blends nicely into the highlighter we put. Okay, so that is the eyeshadow done for the lid. Now I'm going to go in with this Soap & Glory Crazy Sexy Kohl black pencil eyeliner, and I'm just going to do my upper waterline. And then for on the lash line, I'm going to put the NYX Vivid Brights liquid liner in the shade Envy, which is a nice green shade. I'm just going to line the waterline. I'm not going to do a wing or anything, just line the waterline. then in the waterline, I'm going to use the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Teaspoon, which is again like a green shade. I'm going to take a makeup wipe and clean up any fallout or any of this outer corner. Okay, so I'm just going to apply eyelashes and curl my eyelashes. As per usual, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Miss Baby Roll mascara. Okay, so for lashes today, I'm going to be using these lashes here. They're from Peachy Lashes on Instagram. I do have a discount code with them, which is LizRose10 for 10% off their lashes. These are the Peaches and Cream lashes. They look like this. These are stunning, so gorgeous. They are very dramatic, I have to say. I'm just going to apply some glue, wait for it to dry a little bit, and then I will be back. Oh, and I'm also going to do the rest of my face as well, because I'm going to do a different video, so I'll be back. Okay, so I've done the rest of my face. I'm now going to do the rest of my eyes. So what I'm going to be doing is taking the lightest green shade we took, the matte one, and I'm just going to smoke this right under my eye. Really smoking that out. On the outer part, I'm going to add the darkest green just to blend that up with the top eyeshadow. And then even though we use this on the lid space, I'm going to take the Jeffree Star highlighter and really pack that in the inner corner. Okay, so then I'm just going to add a little bit of mascara on the lower lash line. Okay, so that is the eye look done. Really hope you enjoyed this look. I'm gonna actually show you my lips now. So I look orange as hell, but it's because the foundation I just reviewed is a little bit too dark for me at the moment, but we'll pass through that. I'm going to go in with the MAC lip liner in Boldly Bare. Okay, so then I'm going to go in with two liquid lipsticks. I'm going to go in first with the NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in the shade Corset, and then on top of that, in the middle of my lips, I'm going to put the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cairo. So this is the finished look. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel as well and turn the notifications on so you see the series I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing a 12 days of drugstore / affordable foundation reviews, first impressions kind of thing. This is the foundation I'm wearing today, one of them foundations, so stay tuned for that. I'll link the playlist in the eye up there and also in the description box. Everything I used on my face, if it's in the video or in the other video, I will link and list everything in the description box as always. I hope you enjoyed it, and I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.